Making a coil bowl. Before you start, make sure your clay is the right amount of wetness, or maybe adding water, or maybe working it with your hands, getting all those air bubbles out till it's a nice smooth ball. Then you're going to get a plastic bowl and put a piece of paper towel or tissue over top, taking the spray bottle and giving it a couple squirts. Now this is a coil bowl, so you're going to be making some coils. So remember, by taking your clay, squeezing it, rolling it in your hands, and then rolling it on the table till you get a nice long snake. Then fill the bottom of your bowl in a spiral shape so that you have a nice strong bottom. Then you can start making the sides of your bowls. So again, creating a coil and starting to add them along the side of the bowl. If you keep adding just plain coils, you're going to get a bowl that looks like this. Or you could try using different kinds of coils to add designs to your bowl. So I'm going to create some little circles or balls and put them along the edge to add some different designs. Then I'm going to add another coil on top, following the shape so it makes kind of a wavy shape. So keeping adding different coils and different designs until I get the bowl design that I want. A beautiful coil bowl. Making it strong. If I leave my bowl like this, it is not going to stay together. So I need to take some slip, some clay and water, and start rubbing it with my finger, taking just a little bit. You do not need a lot. That will make it fall apart. So taking just a little and rubbing until it is all smooth on the inside. Keeping going, making sure you're not pressing too hard and rubbing all those lines together. Once it's done, it should look super smooth on the inside and not see any lines on it. Here you can see the difference. It should look like the picture on the right. Once the design is smoothed out on the inside, then you can take it out and take off the tissue, and then you'll be able to still see the designs on the outside. Putting it away. When you go to put it away, put it back in the plastic bowl and put the tissue on top, and again spray it once or twice, not a lot, with some water. Another option is to make a coil plate. Once you have decided the shape of your plate, you can draw it out. Make sure it is a simple shape like a circle, a square, a star, a heart, a diamond. Make sure you draw it nice and big. It needs to be bigger than your hand. Once your plate is ready to go, then you can start making some coils. Again, squishing and rolling on the table. Then you're going to go on the outside, the outline of your shape first. This is going to make it a lot easier, so make sure you do the outline first. Now you're going to fill in the inside with any kind of coil you would like. So thinking about what kind of coils you want to use, trying different designs, and filling in the inside of your shape. You can leave little spaces, but you need to make sure it is still attached. So it cannot be free floating or not attached to anything. It has to still be attached to the rest of the plate. Keep creating coils until you have your whole design filled. Making it strong. Just like with the coil bowl, if we left it like this, it would fall apart. So taking just a little bit of our slip, our clay glue, and rubbing gently until we don't see any of those lines anymore is going to connect our clay together. Once we have that, we can flip it over. We'll still see our design on the other side. We can change the shape a little bit if we need, and that's it. A beautiful clay plate.